Today we are trying to make the tres leches cake that I've seen on TikTok. So we've seen it everywhere. So let me show you what I have and the ingredients that I'm going to use. So let's go. We will be using yellow cake mix. I bought 2 and we're going to follow the instructions. So let's preheat our oven to 350 and we're going to need 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs.
Now where that measuring cup?
Now that the cake is out from the oven, we are going to even it out, or try to take out this first layer here using a knife.
Hey Mommy, are you gonna do this?
You can either put it with this, or you could just like
It's ready.
pop it like a.
Okay, so I will be using milk, whole milk, condensed milk, and evaporated milk. And I'll be using just a blender to blend it in. I'm going to do this one first. I'm going to take the same amount of condensed milk, same amount of whole milk.
Here's your own.
Yeah, I drank it all yesterday.
And then we're going to open this one.
También donde go.
Oh.
Up, up, up.
Before, we're going to poke holes.
Why are you poking holes, Mommy?
You'll see. Just watch and learn.
Sorry if I offended you, son.
And do not tie this at home. I mean, do tie this at home. If you don't, you win nothing. If you do, you win $100,000.
For your mixture
Mix
in here.
Salty.
And the bread is gonna soak it up.
What does soak mean, Mommy?
Gonna come inside of this. Like what a towel does, it soaks all the wetness.
All over your cake. Make sure you get the edges. Make sure you get the middle.
The middle. It's like a big puddle.
So now we're gonna cover it and put it in the refrigerator for a few hours or until the next day. For our topping, we'll be using heavy whipping cream, pure vanilla extract and some sugar. We're gonna mix it in here.
Mommy, wait. Need sugar?
Don't get my opening you. Where are you? I thought you were gonna play. Come here, baby. Come here. Open.
I already washed my strawberries and cut them up into small pieces. So now I'm going to bring out the cake from the refrigerator and we're gonna start putting this whipped cream and the strawberries.
Make it get it all. Daddy ordered farting, Mommy.
No, girl.
You know what? When you guys have time, you can come right here.
Some strawberries on it.
1, 2, I don't know.
Damn, you whipped that cream good.
3 and 4. And I want to do this every day.
Okay, we're gonna need to separate them. So my tres leches cake is all done. It's nice and cold and you can store it back in the refrigerator if you're not gonna eat it. Delicious tres leches cake.